So today's session is related with Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. Okay, I'm sharing my screen and just giving you the brief idea about the Dynamics CRM. So Dynamics 365 is hosted on Microsoft Azure and it is used Dataverse for secure and scalable data storage. Means uh, actually it is completely cloud-based application and it is hosted on Microsoft Azure. So no need infrastructure or any other things. It is completely integrates with Power Platform. So definitely we can create a different Power model-driven apps, Canvas apps, Power Pages through Power Platform. So automation, we can do the automation through the automate flows. There are two kinds of flows are available: classic workflow and Power Automate flow. And definitely, it's very much useful for the automation purpose. And Dynamics 365, it can be accessed through web browser or mobile applications. It will supports backups and security patches. Means it's a completely cloud-based application. We don't need to do anything manually from our side. So why it is essential? Microsoft Dynamics, why it essential? So any idea why it is beneficial? Anyone can tell me? So definitely Microsoft Dynamics, it's a completely cloud-based application, number one. Number two, it is centralized database that is called as a Dataverse in the backend, which will controls by the Microsoft Azure, number two. Number three, security features are there. Number four, it is a centralized space where we can store accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, whatever it may be. There are the details. Number four, the out of the box the functionality is available like sales app, marketing app, okay, service app, and there are a lot of benefits of this because of centralized application. Okay, so it will enhance customer experience with personalized engagements. Means we can approach to the customers through various channels like emails, phone calls, tasks, appointments through dynamic CRM. So it is very much beneficial because, for example, I worked for BMW Automobiles, and BMW Automobiles they will use Microsoft Dynamics for their sales purpose. Like they will approach to the customers through business process flows like lead will create. After that they will approach to the customers, and after that once they approach, test ride or test drive will schedule, and after that the complete process like up to the delivery done. So CRM is nothing but the very crucial part in every organization. It will gives the automation part as well as the increases productivity also. So what is the forecasting? So it will forecast as, yeah, we received 1000 leads, and out of 1000 leads, for example, 50% leads will convert into opportunity. So definitely forecasting is there. The business can forecast, or they can assume the revenue. For example, 50 cars will sell in the next month because of that converts into the opportunity. So definitely it's a real-time analytics. It will gives the complete idea about the revenue, how we can approach to the customers, how what the salespersons are approaching. That is totally, there is a complete platform is available here. So currently Microsoft Dynamics competitors are like Salesforce, Zoho CRM, HubSpot CRM. These are the competitors. But Microsoft Dynamics, it's very much easy to use, centralized space, completely cloud-based application. It integration is powerful. Integrates with Outlook, SharePoint, and other like there are different characters are available. So definitely Microsoft Dynamics is very beneficial to every organization. Banking sector, automobile sector, real estate sector, they can they can design sales hub, they can customize the sales hub, they can add the products, pricing documents, quotations. They can enhance they can enhance the business process flow through this Microsoft Dynamics. There are different applications, model driven applications are available like sales, customer service, marketing, field service, and project automation in the customer engagement. It is completely user friendly one, easy to use, centralized space, model driven apps. They have their own Microsoft support. We don't want to do anything here for because they have their own custom. We can just do the customization, configuration, automation as per the functionality. I think that I'm giving good explanation. That's why there are no questions. That okay. Thanks a lot. Next. So Sales Hub, what is Sales Hub in Microsoft Dynamics? It will track leads. So what is lead first? Lead is nothing but the raw details about the customer, which will come from any lead source, like from web, phone call, any walk-in. So there are different lead sources are there, that by means of that, in the sales hub we can track the leads. After that it will converts into the opportunity, and after that we can send the quotations to the customer and orders and invoice. So definitely sales hub, it is useful for any organization for increasing their sales. It will provide the sales dashboards. It will automate workflows, like we can send the email alerts to Dynamics CRM. Thousands of emails we can send, thousands of SMS we can send through the Dynamics CRM. It will integrate with Outlook, Teams, and LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Okay, Sales Hub app. So sales dashboard, yes, we can visualize sales dashboard, like how many open leads are there, how many pipe in the pipeline. It will track the performance of sales manager. Okay, so that is also possible. Customer service hub, that is called as a cases. For the cases it is used. For example, we can create queues, SLAs, and entitlements for the in the customer service hub, and definitely it integrates with the email, phone calls, and other details. So customer service dashboard is also available, like marketing also. In marketing module, there are different marketing campaigns we can create, customer journeys we can create, we can send the marketing details, event management we can do, and it is integrated with the dynamic CRM sales hub as Power Platform. So there are two types of applications: model driven and canvas apps. We can Power Automate. Through Power Automate we can automate workflows with flows. Power BI, it is for visualization purpose, and Power Virtual Agents, that is for the chatbots and without code. So it is integrates with Teams, SharePoint, Excel, and Sales Navigator. So career path is for freshers is, first of all, you need to learn Microsoft Dynamics CRM with cloud basics. After that, you need to create your own instance, trial instance. Certifications are there. MB210, PL200 is there. You can apply roles as a data analyst, junior consultant, a techno-functional consultant, functional consultant, and after that, this solution architect is the last level. So functional consultant, it will gather requirements, configures in the CRM. Technical consultant is nothing but the complete technical part, developer part, and support engineer and solution architect. So currently there are Copilot is available. So it will gives the suggestions suggestions in real time suggestions and all. So it will ask other details also. So definitely, so Microsoft Dynamics, it's a complete cloud based application. Number one, it completely no code, low code the area where you don't want to write any single line of. Number two. Number three, it is having the out of the box functionalities. Number four, it is integrates with other applications like Outlook, SharePoint, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Number five, currently 60% the organizations are using Microsoft Dynamics CRM for their productive purpose or sales purpose. Any yes. So for trial instance purpose, you need to go to trial Dynamics. You need to choose the customer side. You need to give your school work account, and after that you need to set up your organization, and you need to choose your apps, and after that you can access the Dynamics 365 share. So this is the complete. So this is the complete area of this. And if you found the career path, the first is intern or trainee. It's a junior analyst is there. Skills required for CRM basics, cloud concepts. For the learn.microsoft.com is the official website of Microsoft. Associate level are there. Mid-level consultants like PL100 and other, and senior architect level and other you can do. So you can explore Microsoft learn.microsoft.com, or you can do the trial instance first. You need to sign up first for the trial instance, and you can start working on this. So CRM is nothing but the customer relationship management. It is technology and strategy used by business to manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer life cycle. What is CRM? So what is purpose of CRM? It will improve customer service. It will increase sales, boost retention, enable personalized communication, and enhance productivity and collaboration. So these are the purpose of CRM. Means it will increase sales. Okay. There are different aspects of CRM: operational CRM, analytical CRM, collaborative CRM, and strategic CRM. These are the four aspects of the CRM. Operational means sales, marketing and service process. Analytic means for data analysis purpose. Collaborative means communication between teams, and strategic means focus on teams, customer engagement, and value creation. So, industries, which industries are using currently CRM? Retail industry for customer loyalty programs, promotions, and purchases. Banking and finance domain also it is using dynamic CRM for lead tracking, customer onboarding, service ticketing. Healthcare industry also patient management, appointment reminders, post care follow-ups. In education industry for student admissions, inquiry management. In manufacturing industry also for dealer and distributor management, B2B sales tracking, real estate and IT services. Completely Microsoft Dynamics CRM is using currently now. So you can set up this environment through as your setup first. 1 minute. The basic building blocks of dynamic CRM is entities, records, forms, views, dashboards, business rules, workflows, and relationships. So these are the basic building blocks in the dynamic CRM. For example, entity means it's a table like contact table, lead table, opportunity table. It's complete in the Dataverse. You can create new tables also in the Dataverse. That is also customizable. Records means the rows, a single data entry. For example, name. Your name is one row. Forms. There are different forms. Out of the box forms are available. You can create your own forms also. That is customizable. Views means you can filter the how many records you require. That is called as a view. Dashboards. Inbuilt some dashboards are available. That is called as out of the box dashboards. You can create your own dashboard. For business rules also, for the logic purpose, you can create the business rules. Workflows, you can create classic workflows either or Power Automate workflows. And relationships. So these are the basic building blocks in the Dynamics CRM. So common CRM entities lead is nothing but the potential customer or inquiry. Contact means it's an individual person. Account means company or organization. Opportunity means a potential sale or deal. Case means customer service request or issue. Activity means task, phone call, or appointment. And you can set up this Dynamics trial instance through. So this is the complete basic information about the Dynamics CRMs. The basic idea. Any questions here? 40 hours. This is the duration, and 40 hours is the complete course duration, and it will covers all the basic idea about sales, service, marketing, power platform, and other administration part. 1 minute, I will share you the so this is the complete syllabus. What is CRM? Aspects of CRM. Number one, part one is the business applications like sales module, marketing module, and customer module. It's completely conceptual or what is lead, what is contact, what is opportunity, competitors, products. Okay, theoretical, practical, scenario-based question, and interview-based question. This is the our topic. Means first of all, I need to explain all these things. After that, practical. After that, the the scenario-based question and interview-based question. So first of all, sales, marketing, and customer service. After that, the administration is there. So administration part means how to create the users, business units, teams, privileges, and all. Data management, how to create the duplication detection rules, how to delete the records, data mappings, product catalog, other things. And the part three is the customization, like how to do the form customization, entity customization, relationships. And part four is advanced image dynamics CRM. That is called as workflow means what? Ribbon customization, working with sitemaps, introduction to solutions. And part five is Power Apps and Canva. So it's complete syllabus is there, which will covers all the details in 40 hours. It requires more than 40 hours, up to 50 hours, but definitely with practicals, with theoretical plus practical plus scenario based question plus interview based questions, plus practice based question. So this is the our clear syllabus. No, so you can start journey with Microsoft if you want. You can start your course. Fine. Thank you.